In this video, I'm going to show you how to name amides. Let's jump right in. So an amide is a compound that has a carbonyl with a nitrogen next door, an amide. And amides are named very similarly to carboxylic acids. So we'll review how to name some carboxylic acids and show that the amide name comes from the carboxylic acid. So this 2-carbon carboxylic acid, because there's 2 carbons, it has the prefix eth. So this is ethanoic acid. Carboxylic acids end in ic acid or oic acid. So this is ethane becomes ethanoic acid. The amide that comes from this is you drop the ic acid or oic acid part and you put the word amide at the end. So this is ethanamide. The common name for this ethanoic acid is called acetic acid. And acete is the common parent name for 2 carbons. So acetic acid becomes, you drop the ic acid, acetamide or acetamide. If I have 4 carbons, butane becomes butanoic acid. So the amide becomes, drop the oic acid, butanamide. Or if I take the common name for butyric acid, if it's 4 carbons, drop the ic acid and it becomes butyramide. Pretty simple. Once you know how to name carboxylic acids, drop the ic acid or oic acid part and just put amide at the end. Now, if I have an extra group on the nitrogen, here's how you name that. So remember, this is butanamide. So this part right here is butanamide if it had 2 hydrogens here. But this has an extra methyl group on it. So we tell somebody that this butanamide has an extra methyl group on the nitrogen by putting a capital N out there. That means this group's on the nitrogen atom. You put what the group is. So N-methyl, the methyl's on the nitrogen, butanamide, N-methylbutanamide. So again, this is my butanamide or butyramide. Let's name it with butyramide this time, a more common name. So the last word would be, for this compound, butyramide. And I have 2 groups on the nitrogen, an ethyl and an ethyl. So there's 2 ethyls. So there's diethyl. And I'm telling somebody they're on the nitrogen. So we use a capital N. But you have to do that for every group. So it's N, N, diethyl butyramide. NN diethyl. On one nitrogen there's an ethyl, and on the same nitrogen there's an ethyl. NN dimethyl. So now that you know what the capital N stands for at the beginning, it just means something's on that nitrogen atom. Hey, I hope that helps. Drop the ic acid, add the amide ending, and you're home. Hey, subscribe to the channel and watch more of my organic chemistry videos.